Scientist Navin. Today I am explaining about OOPS concept. OOPS are mainly classified four principles. In OOPS concept there are main four principles. First one abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. In this four mainly follows OOPS concept. In first of all abstraction, showing only essential features, hiding background detail. Suppose in abstraction we showing only essential features, hiding background details. We have taken one mobile. In this mobile they have lots of applications. In application we shows only application over. In hiding in this data, this is hiding background details. It is called abstraction. The main advantages of abstraction is code security. The code security. Encapsulation of binding variable and method. Binding variables and methods under single entity. In encapsulation, binding variable and methods under single entity. Binding variable and methods under single entity. It is called encapsulation. Example, we have taken one data. In this data, we have stored in one locker. In this locker, we create one locker. In this, we lock it key. Key is an object. Lock is a class. In the inside class, we secure the data. The main advantages of encapsulation is data security. The main advantage of encapsulation is data security. We secure the inside of the class, we secure the data, we create one object. Object is key. Inheritance is the one concept. It has mainly again classified four. One is single inheritance. Second one is multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical hybrid. Inheritance are mainly again classified into four. One is single, multi-level, hierarchical, hybrid. In inheritance, the main concept of, suppose inheritance means acquiring the properties. Acquiring the properties of one class to another class. Acquiring the properties of one class to another class. Suppose we create one class A, and another class which is class B. It is class A, it is class B. We acquire in the one properties acquire in the one class to another class by using keyword extends. by using keyword extends. This inheritance. Inheritance main concept is acquiring one property is acquired to another class. It gets A properties gets to B. It is A means parent class. B means child class. Inheritance, the main advantage is code reusability. The main advantage of inheritance is code reusability. Polymorphism, it is a concept of performing some task method into different ways. Suppose polymorphism is a concept performing some task method into different ways. Suppose we have a student having different, suppose a student having age, height, suppose branch, etc. In this way, we have performed a person different ways. We have performed. It is called performing some task method into different ways. It is called polymorphism. In polymorphism, again they have two. One is static, another one is dynamic. In static, we have overloading. In dynamic, we have overriding. It's all about Hooke's concept.